Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best butt hinge in the stainless steel category, the Medsuo 2 sets 3-inch folding butt hinges. Whether you're upgrading old doors, building custom cabinets, or crafting wooden boxes, this compact yet sturdy hinge set might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. First off, let's talk about the build quality. These hinges are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which makes them incredibly durable, moisture-proof, rust-resistant, and antiseptic. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor environments. Whether you're working on cabinetry in your kitchen or installing hinges on a garden box, the corrosion-resistant nature of these hinges means they're built to last. Each hinge is 3 inches long and 2 inches wide when fully expanded, with a total expanded size of 7.5 by 5 centimeters. The shaft axis is thick and strong, giving it added reinforcement where it matters most. These are not flimsy components. These are sturdy, smoothly machined pieces of hardware that stay quiet and reliable even after repeated use. Installation is as simple as it gets. Each set includes 2 hinges and 12 stainless steel screws, perfectly matched and designed to make your setup process fast and seamless. No more fumbling for compatible screws or struggling with mismatched hardware. The pre-drilled holes are clean and precisely spaced, with an inner diameter of 0.5 centimeters and hole-to-hole spacing of 2.4 centimeters. That spacing ensures a solid grip, improving the load-bearing strength and stability of whatever you're mounting. One of the standout features is how smooth and noiseless the operation is. Once installed, these hinges offer a sleek swing motion without any creaking or stiffness. You can literally feel the quality as you open and close whatever they're attached to, be it a toolbox, cabinet door, wooden chest, or even a window frame. Aesthetically, the silver finish has a clean, modern look. It doesn't scream for attention but fits beautifully into both rustic and contemporary designs. That makes them a versatile choice for builders, DIYers, and restoration specialists alike. From a practical perspective, the compact size and strength-to-weight ratio are just right for both light and medium-duty applications. Whether you're replacing existing hardware or doing a fresh install, these hinges provide functionality without taking up too much visual or physical space. Now, while this particular listing may not ship directly to every location including India, it's absolutely worth checking availability through other vendors or freight forwarding services if you're based internationally. The quality here is worth the effort. To wrap it up, the Medsuo 2 sets 3-inch folding butt hinges represent excellent value, superior build quality, and a smart design for anyone looking for reliability in compact hinge hardware. They're simple to use, built to last, and blend seamlessly into any setting. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on product insights, and don't forget to drop a comment if there's a hinge or hardware product you'd like us to test next. This is Product Critique, your go-to channel for professional, honest reviews. See you in the next video.